Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download LinkedIn recommendations text for your portfolio, beginner guide step by step clearly. To download LinkedIn recommendations text for your go to the LinkedIn website and log into your account. Navigate to your profile by clicking on your profile picture in the top left corner. Scroll down to the recommendations section on your profile page. Click on recommendations to view all the recommendations you have received. Look for the specific recommendation you want to download. Once you find it, highlight the text of the recommendation using your mouse. Right-click on the highlighted text to display the context menu. Select Copy from the context menu to copy the text to your clipboard. Next, open a text editor or a document application on your computer. Create a new document and click in the blank area to place your cursor. Right-click and select Paste to insert the copied recommendation text. You may want to format the text to suit your portfolio style. Save the document to your computer with an appropriate file name. Repeat the process for any additional recommendations you wish to download. Once you've collected all the desired text, you can include it in your portfolio. This will help showcase your professional endorsements effectively. Remember to check that the formatting remains consistent across all recommendations. Your portfolio is now enhanced with valuable testimonials from your LinkedIn network. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.